Yes, good morning all of you. Hi student, myself Neeraj sir as a math teacher. You all are welcome in this tutorial. Dear student, in this video we are going to discuss and solve exercise 2.1 remaining parts of chapter 2 exponent or powers of class 8th. Yes student, question number 5. Simplify the following. This is the question. 5 by 6 raised to the power 6 multiply 5 by 6 raised to the power 3 divide by 5 by 6 raised to the power 9. So first we have to solve this. Here you see base are same and powers are different. So in multiplication, if base are same, powers are different, in multiply we add the powers. So x raised to the power a plus b. So we write here 5 by 6 raised to the power 6 plus 3 divide by 5 by 6 raised to the power 9. So it becomes 5 by 6 raised to the power 9 divide 5 by 6 raised to the power 9. So here base are same and divide. In divide x to the power a divided by x to the power b equal to x to the power a minus b. In divide we subtract the powers. So here powers are same, so 9 minus 9 it becomes 0 and x to the power 0 equal to 1. So 5 by 6 raised to the power 0 equal to 1. So this is the final answer, and for class practice you have to solve C part. C part for class practice. Question 5th, C part. Yes student, next question. Find the value of A. This is the question. 4 by 9 multiply 4 by 9 raised to the power minus A equal to 4 by 9 raised to the power 16. So look here, we 4 by 9 2 times multiply, so we put here 4 by 9 raised to the power 2, and also here power negative power minus a is also here. So we write here 4 by 9 raised to the power 2 raised to the power minus a equal to 4 by 9 raised to the power 16. So here you see double powers are there. So if double power are there, we multiply the power according to identity. So 2 into minus a, it becomes 4 by 9 raised to the power minus 2a, and here 4 by 9 raised to the power 16. So look here, base are same, so we cut the base, and power base are equal, then powers are also equal, so minus 2a equal to 16. So a equal to 16 by minus 2. So a equal to this minus is minus 16 upon 2, 2 8 is 16. So final answer is a equal to minus 8. So class practice you have to do A part. 6th question, A part. Yes student, next question, question number 7. Find the value of x. We have to find the value of x. This is the question. So look here, here base are same, powers are different. So we apply identity here. So identity is x to the power a multiply x to the power b equal to x to the power a plus b. So after applying this identity, we write this 3 by 4 raised to the power x plus 6. This power we add here, and this 3 by 4 raised to the power 16 right here. So here you see, here base are equal, so powers are also equal, so we cut here base. So powers x plus 6 equal to 16. So when we move this 6 to this side, it becomes x equal to 16 minus 6. Why minus 6? Because this is plus 6. So after transposing that side, this plus 6 becomes minus 6. So x equal to 10, final answer, and you have to solve remaining part. Yes, student. Next question. Verify the following. This is the question. First, we have to solve LHS part. After that, RHS part. In this way, we have to verify this question. So look here. LHS is 7 multiply 8 raised to the power minus 3. So it becomes 7 8 56 raised to the power minus 3. So LHS answer is this. Now we have to solve RHS part. RHS is 7 raised to the power minus 3 multiply 8 raised to the power minus 3. So look here. This is the identity. If base are different and power are same, then we multiply base and raise whole to the power this. So x multiply y raised to the power a. So it becomes, when we multiply base, 7 multiply 8 and put here minus 3 power raised to the power minus 3. So 7 8 56 raised to the power minus 3. RHS answer is also same as LHS answer. So LHS equal to RHS. So this equal to this, verified. You have to solve remaining parts of questions. Yes, student. Next question. Evaluate. This is the question. We have to solve this question. So look here. 1 by 4 raised to the power 0 divided by 1 by 5 raised to the power 0 divide bracket close divide 1 by 6 raised to the power 0. So x to the power 0 becomes 1. So this become 1, this also become 1, and this also becomes 1. So 1 divide 1 divide 1. So first we have to solve this bracket. So 1 divided by 1 becomes 1, and here divide 1, so divide 1. Again 1 divided by 1 it becomes 1. So this one is the final answer. You have to solve which part? D part for class practice. Yes, student. Next question 10. Find the reciprocal of the following rational number. We have to find reciprocal of this number. So first we have to solve this number, and after that we find reciprocal. So look here. 7 by 8 cube multiply 8 by 14 square. So we write here 7 by 8 3 times because 3 power is there, and this 2 times 8 by 14 because here 2 power is there. So we written like that, expanded form, and this 8 and 8 cut, we cut this numerator 8 and denominator 8. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14, 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14. So look here, in numerator 1 multiply 7, it becomes 7, and in denominator place this is 8 2 ja 16, 16 2 ja 32, 7 by 32. So after solving this, answer is 7 by 32. So we have to find the reciprocal of 7 by 32. So it becomes 7 by 32 raised to the power minus 1. So it becomes 32 by 7. You have to solve remaining parts. Yes, student. Next question. Express the following with a negative exponent. We have to solve this question and turn this question into negative powers. So look here. Here minus 7 upon 8 raised to the power minus 1. Raised to the power minus 2. Two powers are there. So as we know, here we use identity like x to the power a to the power b becomes x to the power a multiply b. So we multiply this power minus 1 and minus 2, so it becomes 2, and here identity a by b raised to the power m becomes b by a raised to the power minus m. Negative exponent. Here positive exponents are there. When we change it into negative, it becomes reciprocal. Minus 7 by 8 becomes 8 by minus 7 raised to the power minus 2. So this minus 8 by upon 7 raised to the power minus 2. So this is the final answer. You have to solve remaining parts. Yes, student. Next express the following numbers in a standard or scientific form. First question is this. So you look here. We have to shift point here. Suppose point are here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the decimal point is moved 5 places to the left. So it becomes 1.2345 into 10 to the power 5, and this is scientific form. Let's take one more example. B part. B part is this number. Okay. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So this number. So the decimal point is moved. Suppose point is here, so it moves one place, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places here. So we can write like that, into 10 to the power. How many places are there? 6 places. So we write here 6. So we can write again this number like that. 1.00 means 1 into 10 to the power 6. So why? Because the decimal point is moved 6 places to the left. 6 places to the left. 6 places to the left here. So this is scientific form. Yes student, next question. This number, we have to convert this number into scientific form or standard form. So look here, we decimals are here, we shift this decimal one place, 2, 3, 4, 5 places to the right. The decimal point is moved. The decimal point is moved how many times? 5 times. 5 places to the right. When decimal place is moving to left side, the notation is positive, power is positive. But when we moving to the right direction, its power is negative. So we can write like that, 2.4 into 10 to the power. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So minus 5. 2.4 into 10 to the power minus 5, negative. Okay. Yes, next question. Express the following numbers in usual form. Look here, A part, 1.23 into 10 to the power 5. So we can write like that, 1.23 multiply 10 to the power 5. So here you can see 4 point, we put here 1 and 2 digits are there, so 20, and we remove point here. So it becomes 123 into 10 to the power 5 upon 100 becomes 10 ka square. So 123 into 10 to the power 5 by 10 square. So it becomes 123 into 10 to the power 5 minus 2. That is 123 into 10 to the power 3. So it becomes 123 into, so it becomes 123,000. So student, look here, 123 and here in divide base are same, so we subtract powers, that is 5 minus 2, it becomes 10 raised to the power 3. So 123 and we put 30 here. So final answer is this. Yes student, next question, B part, 5.678 into 10 to the power 6. So we can write like that: 5.678 multiply 10 to the power 6, remove point and point 1, 1, 2, 3 zeros are there. So it becomes 5678 into 10 to the power 6 by 10 to the power 3. So it becomes 5678 into 10 to the power 6 minus 3. 5678 into 10 to the power 3. So it becomes 5678 into 1 by 3. So it becomes 5678 1 2 3. This is the final answer. Yes, last question. 3.45 into 10 to the power minus 4. We have to convert it into usual form. So we can write 3.45 upon decimal. So remove this, put 1 here and 2 digits are there, 100 into 10 to the power 4 means 1 by 10 to the power 4. So 3.345 upon 100 into 1 upon 1 2 3 4 0. So 345 by 100 into 1 2 3 4 0. So it becomes 345 1. How many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 6 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 0. So it becomes 0.000345. Final answer. So that's all for today. Have a nice day.